Hello, you're watching WION World is One. I'm Shreya Upadhyay. Up next, we get you all that is making news in India and across the world. First up, a quick look at the top stories. Kyiv high-rise burns as Ukraine reports over 500 drones and missiles in Russia's overnight attacks. Kyiv says Russian attack cut heat supply of 1,000 buildings in the Ukrainian capital. "30 killed in Japan due to heavy snowstorm in the past 2 weeks. Government deploys troops to help residents in Aomori, which is the heaviest hit region, where as much as 4.5 meters of snow remains on ground in remote areas. Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian confirms that he ordered the start of the nuclear talks with the US after his counterpart Trump threatened bad things will happen if no deal is reached. Air India begins inspecting fuel control switches across its Boeing 787 Dreamliner fleet after a reported defect. Half the fleet checked with no issues, while inspections of the remaining aircraft continue. NASA completed a wet dress rehearsal for the Artemis 2 mission in the early morning hours today to allow teams to review data and conduct a second wet dress rehearsal. NASA will now target March as the earliest possible launch window for the Artemis 2 mission. Barclays reports that S&P 500 has historically fallen an average of 16% after a new Federal Reserve chair takes office, raising concerns about potential market volatility as investors await the upcoming Fed decisions. French inflation has unexpectedly fallen to its lowest level in 5 years, dropping well below the European Central Bank's 2% target as energy costs slip, signaling easing price pressures in Europe's second-largest economy. In sports, the Super Bowl week begins with festivities in California. The Seattle Seahawks will take on the New England Patriots in the Super Bowl on Sunday.